Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, my name is Muhammad Khairul Anam. I am class 12th grade majoring computer network engineering. I want to presentation internship report in PT Limited Synergis company as IT support for 3 months. Internship background. The background for field work practice is learning that emphasize fully equipping student with competition that include aspect of attitude, knowledge, and skill. Internship goal. Internship goal. Field work practice aim to improve the types of skills students have so that they can be developed and implement in the world of work and establish good cooperation between school and industry. Internship benefit. Internship benefit for industry. First, improve company image. Second, can recognize the quality of student. Third, utilize labor. Internship benefit for school. Improve school image. First, improve school image. Second, have a good relationship with the company. And the last, internship benefit for participant. First, sharpen skill and knowledge in the world of work. Second, shape the mindset of student about the world of work. The thirdly, build confidence. Limainti Synergis is a company engaged in the field of telecommunication service and information technology. Company history. Company Limainti Synergy was established on October 17, 213 and company engaged in the field of telecommunication service and information technology. Vision PT Limainti Synergis company to become a true national standard telecommunication service provider company and respond to change for the prosperity on the nation and state in Indonesia. Mission Limainti Synergis company. First, fostering the value of transparency and sustainable trust between the company and employee, customer, partner, and other stakeholders. Second, improve the ability of human resource and company infrastructure on ongoing basis to support the best service to all customer. Company milestone. 213 PT Lini was founded by Mr. Bambang Jakalaksana and Mr. Hermes Evidiamoko, a BTS installation service company. 2015, the joining Mr. Okta Patria as a president director PT Lini and Miss Lili Wasitova as president commissioner of the company. And then to 2019 conduct CSR program to support education and national service for victims of national disaster. 220 working on the BTS installation project in the USO site project. Lini focus on tribute service. First, site investigation survey service and maintenance of telecommunication equipment and networks. Second, site acquisition service. site engineering survey, BTS installation, civil, mechanical, and electrical service. Third, management service and material delivery service. A leader IT name is Suradianto Eskom, director name Oktanur Patria, and mentor name Gelar Munggaran. Theoretical basis. Laravel is a open source PHP based working the application using the model view control concept. MAM, what is MAM? MAM is Macintosh, Apache, and MySQL and PHP. MAM will install a local server in second on the computer. Composer is a dependency manager tool in PHP, serves a liaison between PHP project and external libraries. Winbox, what is Winbox? Winbox is a small application that can be used to administer MikroTik router OS quickly and with a GUI interface. Tool material. Tool material laptop is used as a means of preparing. And then handphone. Handphone is used to document daily activity practice implementation. And books and pens used to record some of the job tasks given by the supervisor. Internship activity. Internship activity, network monitoring. Network monitoring is the use of system that constantly monitor a computer network for slow or failing component and that notifies the network administrator via email, SMS, or another alarm. In case of outage of other trouble, network monitoring is a part of network management. Winbox Android. Winbox is a small application that can be used to administer MikroTik router OS quickly and with a GUI interface. In addition, MikroTik has developed an Android-based Winbox application. Android Winbox is certainly simpler. Internship activity. Create daily activity feature. Daily activity web is a local web for companies. This web serves to find out the daily activity of employees to find out what has been done. Create database web apps. Database is a collection of data that is managed in such a way based on certain conditions that are interconnected so that it is easy to manage. Through this management, user can gain confidence in finding information, storing information, and disposing of information. Create hotspot MikroTik. MikroTik hotspot is a system used to provide authentication feature for user who will use the internet network itself. So, to be able to access the internet network, the client is required to enter the username and login password provided for sure. The conclusion, participants can improve their professional abilities so that they are in line with the demand of the world of work. Students can also have a work ethic which includes work ability, initiative and creative, working result quality, time discipline, and the last internal craft work. Thank you. Syukron, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.